Good morning, students. Today we are going to read our new story, Three Questions. The story, Three Questions, was written by Russian author Leo Tolstoy, which was first published in 1885 as part of the collection What Men Live By and Other Tales. The story takes the form of a parable and it concerns a king who wants to find the answers to what he considers the three most important questions in life. Shall we start our story? Three questions. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew three things. These three things were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? Let us see what are the three things. First one, what is the right time to begin something? Second one, which people should he listen to? Third question, what is the most important thing for him to do? The king, therefore, sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these three questions. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. So, our king, he sent messengers throughout his kingdom in order to get answers to three important questions posed by him. And he promised a large sum of money, large amount of money to those who would answer these three questions. And many wise men, who are wise men? Those who have knowledge about each and everything under the sun, who are knowledgeable persons. So, many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions in a different way. Suppose if I ask you all these three questions, many of you will answer it in a different way, is it not? Your answers will vary. Like that, those wise men have given different answers to our king. Was he satisfied with those answers? No. Let us see. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable. We are familiar with our timetable, right? And then follow it strictly. It means we have to prepare a timetable and we have to follow it strictly. Only in this way, they said. Who are they referred to here? They referred to here are the wise men. They said, could he do everything at its proper time? Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. And some other wise men told the king that it was impossible to decide in advance, very well in advance, the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. Now, you see, he got another good suggestion. What was the suggestion? King needed a council of wise men. Means he need a group of men who could help him act at the proper time by giving proper advice. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly, What was the reason behind that in preparing a panel for helping king? It is like this. For a single person, it is very difficult to take decisions. If many people are there, if they interact each other, it will be easy for them to take decisions, correct decisions. So, one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others the right time for every action. But the others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. The king, therefore, would have to go to magicians. What was the other suggestion given by these wise men? They have told the king that there were some things which could be urgent. Okay, in order to decide the right time for doing something, we should see what will happen in our future. We should know what will be happening in the future. Is it not? Who can foresee things? Only magicians could do that. So the king therefore advised to go to magicians. In their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to do the king were his counselors. So he got answer to his second question. What was the answer? The people most necessary to the king were his counselors. Others said the priest. A few others chose the doctors. And yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. And the king got answer to his second question, and it was given like this: king should listen to counselors, the priest, or few others had chosen doctors, and some others have said that his soldiers were the most necessary, most important people for king. To the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and yet others religious worship. The king asked a question, is it not? What is the most important thing for him to do? Which people should he listen to? What is the right time to begin something? These are the three questions. Okay, so to his third question, some of the wise men replied, the most important thing, that is science. And some others have chosen fighting, and some others have chosen religious worship. So, as these answers to his questions were very different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. So, what was the decision of the king at last? What he decided to do? He decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. Now let us see the word meanings given here in our book. Here you can see the meaning of council. Council, a group of people chosen to give advice or to make rules. Who are counselors? Members of the council. Who is a hermit? A person who lives alone and leads a simple life. Now let us revise our three questions. First question, what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? And the last question, what is the most important thing him to do? Now let us revise the answer for the first question. What is the right time to begin something? Reply given to the first question. Prepare a timetable and follow it. It was impossible to decide the right time for doing something. The king should avoid foolish pleasures and do whatever seemed necessary at that time. A council of wise men would help the king to act at the proper time. Help could be taken from magicians to do the right things, as these are the people who can foresee future, who can predict what will be happening in our future time. Let us analyze the reply to the second question. What was the second question? Which people should he listen to? Answer. Most necessary people are the king's counselors. Some said it was the priest, others opined that doctors were important, and some of the wise men they felt it as soldiers are very important to our king. What is the most important thing for him to do? This is the third question. Some said science, others chose fighting, and some said it is the religious worship. Finally, what was the decision of our king? He decided to visit a hermit in search of the answer.